The Lima Valley and its floodplains provide a unique habitat for wildlife and plants in northern Portugal. Its beauty is unmatched on the Iberian Peninsula. However, the protected area is heavily impacted by extensive stands of acacia and eucalyptus. These fast-growing species are valuable for forestry, but dramatically alter the ecosystem. As part of the restoration in MERLIN, these invasive tree species are identified and systematically removed. The process starts with stripping the bark before felling the trees, preventing their rapid regrowth. Once cleared, the land naturally regenerates with native alder forests, restoring the Lima Valley's original ecosystem. MERLIN studies how this restoration affects local wildlife. Using sweep nets, ecologists monitor insect populations that are shaped by the newly emerging forest landscape. The restoration brings back the natural character of this unique habitat and makes it even more attractive to the visitors.